Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create tables in draw.io S diagram editor in Confluence. This is a fantastic way to visualize data, organize information, and make your Confluence pages more interactive and professional looking. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to your Confluence website and navigate to the page where you want to create your table diagram. Once you're on that page, look at the top of the screen and click the plus icon. This will open up a menu where you can search for different elements to add to your page. In the search bar, type draw.io and from the results, click on draw.io diagram. This is the tool that will allow you to create your custom table within Confluence. Once the draw.io interface loads, you'll see several template options. For our purpose, click on Blank Diagram to start with a clean canvas. After selecting that, click Create to proceed. This will take you into the main draw.io editor where you'll have access to all the drawing and diagramming tools. Give it a moment to fully load before moving to the next step. After the editor loads, look at the top toolbar where you'll find various icons. Among these, you'll see a table icon. Go ahead and click it. This is the feature that lets you insert and customize tables directly into your diagram. It's a powerful tool for organizing information visually. Now, if you want to add a title to your table, you'll notice a checkbox beside the word title. Click that box to enable the title feature. This will add a header section to your table, which is useful for labeling what information your table contains. With the title enabled, you can now define the size of your table. Hover your cursor over the grid that appears, which shows different table size options. For this example, we'll use a 4x4 table. Simply hover over the grid until you see a 4x4 selection, then click it. This will insert a table with 4 columns and 4 rows into your diagram. Now that your table is created, you might want to resize it to fit your page better. You'll notice small dots around the edges of the table. These are drag handles. Simply click and drag any of these dots to resize the entire table to your preferred dimensions. This gives you full control over how much space your table occupies on the page. To change the table name, all you need to do is double-click on the title area. This will make the title text editable. Type in your new title and it will update immediately. You'll also notice an orange dot on the title section. You can drag this orange dot to resize just the title area, making it larger or smaller depending on your needs. On the right side of the screen, you'll see options to select a color for your table title. This is great for making the title stand out or matching it to your page's color scheme. Now, let's add some content to your table. To add text to any cell, simply double-click on the specific cell you want to edit. This will activate the text input mode and you can type whatever information you need directly into that cell. Repeat this process for each cell you want to populate with data. While you have the table selected, you can click the table icon again at the top. This will reveal additional options for managing your table structure. You'll see choices like Insert Column Left, Insert Column Right, Delete Column, Insert Row Above, Insert Row After, and Delete Row. These options give you complete flexibility to modify your table's layout as your needs change. You can add or remove columns and rows without having to recreate the entire table. If you want to merge cells together, which is useful for creating headers or combining related data, just click on any cell, then hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select another cell. This will highlight both cells. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a section labeled Arrange. Click on it and then click Merge. This will combine the selected cells into one larger cell, perfect for spanning headers or grouping information. And there you have it, you've successfully created and customized a table in Draw.io's diagram editor within Confluence. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.